Bonfire night.
Every year on the 5th of November, the night sky of Britain bursts into a symphony of fire, light, and smoke. Huge bonfires warm the autumn chill. Children with sparkles and effigies made of paper and straw are thrown into the flames. This is Bonfire Night, but why do millions celebrate a failed terrorist attack from over 400 years ago? Today, we're going back to the origins of a man whose name became synonymous with fire. This is the story of Guy Fawkes. Born in York as a Protestant, young Guy's life took a drastic turn when his mother remarried a Catholic. In a time when practicing the Catholic faith in England was a crime, Fawkes chose his side. He converted, left homeland, and became a soldier of fortune in Flanders. Fighting for Catholic Spain, he became an expert in explosives and a man with a dangerous conviction.
Guido, I have watched you in battle. Your courage is no, but your skills with gunpowder are the England needs. Our people are being hunted or persecuted. King James promised peace, but he only brings us change.
I have fought for Spain, Robert, but my heart has never left England. I watch my country rot under the boot of the heresy. What is your plan? Rebellion? A coup?
No, Guido, something far greater. A single, thunderous blow that will shatter the very foundation of the kingdom. We will blow out the parliament, the king, the lords, the heretics, all gone in the second of holy fire.
If the disease is deep, the cure must be radical. Show me the way.
By 1605, the plot was in motion. The conspirators rented a cellar directly beneath the House of Lords. 36 barrels of gunpowder, enough to reduce the entire building to dust, were smuggled in. And the man chosen to guard the fuse was the professional Guy Fawkes.
Are the barrels secure, Guido? We can afford a single down spark.
They are dry, Robert, hidden beneath the raw firewood. When the king opens the parliament, I will light the fuse. I have calculated the timing. I will have just enough time to cross the river Thames and escape before the sky turns red.
God is on our side. This night will change history forever.
History is written by those who survive, Robert. Let us make sure we are the ones holding the pen.
But secrecy is a fragile thing. A warning letter was sent to a Catholic lord telling him to stay away from Parliament. The authorities researched the cellar. In the midnight hours of November 5th, the trap snapped and shut.
Hawking! Check the firewood! Gunpowder! Dozens of barrels! Hawking!
Release me! You cannot stop what is coming. The fire will burn you all.
We have stopped a massacre!
Fawkes was dragged to the Tower of London. King James himself ordered him to be tortured. For days on the rack, he refused to speak, but human flesh has its limits. Broken and barely able to sign his own name, he finally confessed. On January 31st, 1606, he was executed, but his story did not die with him. In the immediate aftermath of the failed plot, King James declared November 5th the day of Thanksgiving. People were encouraged to light bonfires to celebrate the safety of the king. Over the centuries, this act of Thanksgiving transformed. It became a festival, the Bonfire Night. But look closely at how history twists. What started as a celebration of the king's survival became a celebration of the rebellion itself. Today, Guy Fawkes is no longer just a historical traitor. Through pop culture and the Muscovy of Vendetta, His face has become the global symbol of resistance against tyranny, of the citizen fighting the system. So, when the fireworks explode and the bonfires burn tonight, remember we aren't just burning an old memory. We are keeping alive the eternal question of power, fate, and how far people will go for what they believe. As the old nursery rhyme says, remember the 5th of November, the gunpowder, treason, and plot. I know of no reason why the gunpowder treason should ever be forgotten.